Hello, Slaters! Welcome to another life skills class. Children, before starting, I want to share an experience with you all. 2 days back, I was not well. I was down with fever. My daughter saw my dull face and she said, Mama, are you not well? Yes, dear, I am not feeling well. I think I have fever, I said. She checked my temperature and said, Mama, you have high fever. You should consult a doctor. I will take an appointment with him. I got an online appointment. After consultation, the doctor advised to follow a strict diet and take medicines regularly. He also told that I should rest so as to recover soon. I was tensed and thought, who is going to cook and look after the other chores? My daughter came to me and told, Mama, I will take care of everything. She managed everything for the next 2 days. Do you do the same when your mama is not well? I hope you all are helpful and caring towards your parents. So, Slaters, can you guess what topic is going to be discussed today? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is care and concern. Children, caring for others is nothing but understanding the other person's pain and helping them to overcome it. It should not just be limited to the family and friends known to you. You should also care for the people around you and extend a helping hand to make them comfortable. It could be helping an elderly person cross the road or providing food to a poor child on the roadside. Dear children, helping your younger siblings in completing their assignments and guiding them through tough situations shows your care and concern towards them. You can also show your love and affection to your grandparents by spending time with them and reminding them to take their medicines on time or fetching a glass of water whenever they ask or running other errands for them. Slaters, you should also keep in mind that Mother Earth also needs our care and concern. So, you should plant more trees, look after her children, that is, the animals around you, reduce the usage of plastic, and above all, keep your surroundings clean and green. Only then Mother Earth can be free of pain of pollution. Dear Slaters, you should express your love, affection and care for others not because you expect a reward, but because it is a supreme human quality to show kindness. Caring is to understand the needs of those around us. It includes our family, friends, strangers, pets, and surroundings. That is our environment. Caring for others is essential to develop empathy and the ability to connect with people even in difficult times. It promotes positivity and teaches the importance of virtues. A caring person is polite and says good things about others. He or she always gives compliments and appreciates when possible. He or she also guides others when they go on the wrong path. Mother Teresa is an extraordinary example of selfless, caring personality. She came to India and settled here and devoted her life in helping others who were suffering from deadly diseases. She cared for everyone and worked really hard to provide them a comfortable life. Although the people around her were complete strangers, she chose to serve them and uplift their lifestyles. She taught that caring for others gives the highest amount of happiness. So, hope you all have understood why is it important to care and be concerned. In order to be happy and blessed in life, you should try inculcating these ethics. We will meet in the next class shortly. Until then, take very good care of yourself and keep caring for others. Bye bye.